in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the snipping tool shortcut on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select underneath interaction versus keyboard. Then going down underneath on-screen keyboard, access keys, and print screen, where it says use the print screen key to open screen capture, toggle this to the off position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.